Hi everybody, it's Peggy. So last month Paige sent me a waterfall card, and I have never made one before, and Joy was asking me about it too, so I decided to pick and poke and prod at Paige's card to see how she did it. So what you need is a piece of cardstock 2 by 9 inches long, and you'll score it at 2 inches, 2 3/4, 3 1/2, and 4 1/4. So that's 2, 2 3/4, 3 1/2, and 4 1/4. Then you'll want to just fold these over, each one, and burnish them so that you've got, so it'll roll around a bit. Now Paige, when she made hers, she had a piece underneath, and then she put the her stamp piece on top. I didn't bother doing that with mine, but the base is 2 by 2, and then that would be a little bit smaller, either 1 3/4 by 1 3/4, or in there somewhere, well, depending on how much of a border that you wanted. So anyway, I went ahead and stamped out 4 images on 2 by 2, and then just glued them. The first piece of 2 by 2 you glue onto that top one there. That one goes here, and then the next one down would go on to this one. That one would go on to this one, and then the last one would go on the big one that's left. Okay? So I've gone ahead and done that. And I've also went ahead and put an eyelet in and put some twine through. So that's your big long piece on the back here that has no score lines in it, and then that's the front that has all the scores in it. So you need your base card, and this is just the 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 card. I have cut a piece of pattern paper, and it's 4 by 5 1/4, and I've put a strap on here. You can see that it's open here, and Paige used eyelets on the sides of hers. I used brads on mine. You can see the brads there. So, and that's a piece of double-sided tape just sitting there waiting to go down. So you just go ahead and stick that onto your base card. And get that lined up good enough. There we go. And then all you need to do is thread that underneath that band and get it centered up. And this bottom square that you've done, you're going to peel the top of the tape off here and stick it to the bottom half of that. So that will just match right up to the bottom of that band. Maybe it'll be a little easier to see on Paige's here. See how that's right at the edge and it's stuck down just there. That's the only place that it is stuck down. So I'm just going to take the paper off the tape here and see if I can get it centered. Looks pretty good. Just push her down. And looky there. We done made us a waterfall card. Excuse me. Ta-da! And actually I think that would be better if you did have like the two pieces. Have that your image sitting on a base, because it's just a little bit heavier and I think it slides a little better. But it's not very hard. So there you go. If you have any questions, of course, just give me a holler. Okie doke. Talk to you later. Take care.